So this one, it asks us what's the average rate of change over the interval -4, 3. So this one we can just put in our graphing calculator, and the graphing calculator will just tell us the values. I mean, I could just plug it in. Yeah, let's just plug it in. It's probably easier. So what I need to find the average rate of change, which is really a slope. I need f of b minus f of a all over b minus a, where this is a and this is b. So in other words, I need f of b, which is 3, minus f of -4 all over 3 minus 4. When you minus minus, it becomes plus. This is going to be 7 here, okay? And then we just got to figure out what f of 3 and f of -4 is. So, I put g, or I put f, there really should be g. So let's change all these to g's. So this would be g of b, g of a, g of 3, g of -4. So g of 3 is equal to 5 over, plugging in a 3 for x, minus 1 plus 2. In the next line, I'm going to combine the stuff on the bottom. I get 5 over 3 minus 1, which is 2, plus 2. If I plug that in the calculator, this is 2.5, so this would be 4.5. Okay. Let's just double check that real quick. 5 divided by 2 plus 2, 4.5. Okay, good. So now for the next one, if I want to plug in g of -4, I'm going to plug in 4, -4, down here on the bottom, plus 2. That's going to give me 5 over -5 plus 2. That's going to give me -1 plus 2, which is just 1. So g of 4 is 1, and g of 3 is 4.5. So I really get 3.5 over 7, which if you reduce that, it becomes 1/2. And that's it. That's the one.